Have you ever laid under a canopy of trees and just looked straight up? Like really looked. Even if you're just sitting at a picnic table in a park and you tilt your head back for a second. That's what we're painting today. If you want to try it, grab some watercolor paper, a brush, whatever paints you like, and just follow along. I started by soaking the paper and dropped in some soft blue for the sky. Then I tilted it and let the paint move on its own to kind of create those soft cloud like shapes. Once that completely dries, I started building the leaves, yellow first, orange, and then a deeper shade of red. One tree at a time. Everything pointing towards the center like you're lying on the ground looking up. Make sure you leave space for trunks, that white space is needed, and then you'll add a little shadow to one side of the tree so they don't feel flat. That's it. It's mostly layering and adjusting until it feels like fall. It seems to be everybody's favorite season. I don't know. It's definitely my favorite season. It's always the shortest, which stinks. Anyway, if you like this, hit like. If you learned something, subscribe. If you're just here for the vibes, I still see you. So until next time, have a great day. We're gonna turn. We're gonna go this way now.